guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to be making this super cute card that you can give to a loved one or use for a Valentine's Day card. It's using the embroidery hoop from chapter 1 and it's really simple. So your first step is going to be running the dies through the machine. You're going to be cutting the outside using the brighter pink and the inside using the cream card. The next step is going to be die cutting the cream piece using this part of the die. This leaves you with these two die cuts, so you've got the outside of the embroidery hoop and the inside which has these holes in for you to sew into. Using a pencil, roughly mark out the shape of your heart. I'm now using some pink embroidery thread and a sewing needle, and I'm just going to show you how to do a few cross stitches to make the heart. I'll show you how to do a couple and then you can do your own in your own time. So come up from the back, then back through, then from the side, over your other stitch and back through. If you keep going with this technique, this is what you'll end up with, a beautiful heart using the cross stitches. Next we're going to layer up the card using pink as the background and then some white. I'm also going to layer a piece of patterned cardstock with some gold and cream. Using your Sizzix scissors, simply trim the ends to make a banner shape. I'm going to be using tacky glue, so start by layering the cream and gold first. Now I'm going to use the Sizzix foam tape to layer the circular die cut piece with the stitching on onto the card. You can tear the foam tape, save wrecking your scissors. Finally, I'm going to stick my sentiment on again using the foam tape. Now all that's left to do is to stick this onto the pink card front. There you have it, all done. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to share what you've been making, please use the hashtag MyMakingStory and get in touch. Thank you.